I might have just built the craziest bedroom ceiling an 8-year-old has ever had. And he has absolutely no idea it's coming. But this room didn't always look like this. Because we just bought a DR Horton home, and instead of accepting boring, my wife and I decided to turn this entire house into a custom home, one bedroom at a time. And we're starting with someone pretty important, because every kid deserves a room that they're proud of. And I just ran into my first problem. Dang it, man. These ceilings, they're not flat. Alright, before we touch anything, let me show you what we're working with. Flat walls, builder grade trim, zero personality, and honestly, it looked like every other kid's room in America. I have a vision. This might be the coolest bedroom he's ever had. I hope. Step 1, color. So I sent my wife to Sherwin-Williams because let's be honest, she makes everything look better than I ever could. And the second this color hit the walls, I knew we were onto something. So I snapped my lines, mapped out the entire grid, and once the first boards went up, this room started changing fast. And then it hit me. I realized this might end up looking way better than I ever imagined. And then I hit a problem I definitely didn't see coming. These walls were not straight. So instead of forcing it, I started scribing every board to match the wall. It took longer, but the difference was worth it. And when the first section finally locked in, I knew this room was about to be different.
So Dad, you're the best dad ever.
Meanwhile, he had no idea what was happening in here, and honestly, that made this even more fun. But the walls were just the beginning, because what we did next completely changed this room. You see, I wanted to come across as professional as possible, so I spent a lot of time coming up with this fun pattern shape that would repeat itself. I made an acrylic template on it, so I'd have all these boards. I lined them up in my driveway and started to spray a clear coat on them. This was really coming together. I just hope he's gonna love this. This ceiling was as builder grade as it gets, and I wanted something nobody else had. So I decided to build a full white oak puzzle ceiling, one piece at a time. And as each piece went up, I knew this was about to be insane. What I didn't expect, dang it, man, was how much it would transform this entire space. I mean, it's crazy. And before I knew it, this suddenly stopped feeling like a project and started feeling like his room. I mean, every piece I added made it just that more real. And after days of building, measuring, fixing mistakes, and more trips to the store than I want to admit, it was finally ready. I just hoped he was gonna love it. And while the room was coming together, I was also assembling this new furniture that me and my wife bought. We wanted to really excite him with a brand new room. And his basketball goal? That was the cherry on the top. But he had no idea what was coming.
Ready, Jack?
Yeah. Whoa! Awesome, Dad.
What do you think, buddy?
I love it. Woohoo! Woo! Whoa! How did you make this, Dad? Bam! So cool. It's just unbelievable cool looking, Daddy.
And just like that, one builder grade bedroom became something completely custom. But this is just the first room, and trust me, what we're doing next might be the biggest transformation of this entire house. And we've got a lot of work ahead of us. But I can honestly say, that's one room down and a whole house to go. I can't wait to show you what I'm working on next.